Analyzing qualitative data, like notes, reports, interviews, takes a lot of time and labor. MyRa is an AI-powered app that can help you with it. It's GDPR compliant and doesn't store or sell your data. MyRa allows you to easily organize and categorize information from sources like interviews. You can import text, notes, reports, and more into MyRa for in-depth analysis. With MyRa, you can identify patterns, themes, and key insights in your qualitative data. The software provides tools for coding, tagging, and sorting data for efficient analysis. You can create visual representations of your data to better understand the relationships within it. MyRa offers a user-friendly interface that makes analyzing qualitative data accessible to everyone. Here's how to use it. 1. Go to myra.org.uk and sign up for an account. Once you have logged in, MyRa will ask you to prepare your transcripts. 2. MyRa will ask you to ensure that your transcripts are anonymous. It will ask you to rename documents for better organization and to ensure that your documents are not bigger than 7,000 words each. 3. Once you have completed the above steps, upload your documents by simply dragging and dropping them. MyRa will ask you if you would like to conduct a deductive or inductive analysis. Deductive analysis involves starting with a predefined theme to see which document contains that theme. Inductive analysis lets themes emerge from the collected data. 4. MyRa will then ask you to enter your question. For better results, ask only one question per analysis. Type in your question and then click on Run Analysis. MyRa will analyze your documents and tell you to wait for an email. 5. You will receive an email in a few minutes with a link to download the report. 6. Download and open the report. Found this video helpful? 1. Repost to share it with your friends and colleagues. 2. Follow me for more videos on how to use AI apps for academic purposes.